My dear students of class 10th, now let us discuss about the internal view of the heart in this video. And this internal view shows the four chambers. This is L A, this is L V, this is R A, and this is R V. So these are the four chambers which get connected with the vena cava as well as the pulmonary vein, pulmonary arteries, and aorta. This is aorta. This is aorta. This is pulmonary vein. This is pulmonary artery. And in this internal view of the heart, you will see the four valves. Four valves are there: bicuspid valve, that is in the left side, and tricuspid valve, that is in the right side. Tricuspid valve, that is in the right side. Apart from these two valves, there are pulmonary valve, and semi-lunar valve. So my dear students, these are four valves are responsible for the pumping of the blood in the blood vascular system. In the right side there is tricuspid valve, in the left side there is pulmonary valve, that is in the middle, bicuspid valve, and semi-lunar valve, that is in the central side. Now let us see the blood flow in this pumping station, that is called heart. So blood is coming from this right side through vena cava. Through the vena cava, that blood is deoxygenated and it is coming inside it through the right atrium to the right ventricle. Then it is going to the pulmonary artery. It is going to the pulmonary artery for oxygenation, because this is the deoxygenated blood. So blood is coming inside the heart through the vena cava in the right atrium first, then the left ventricle second, then it is coming through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary artery, going to the lungs for the oxygenation. While from lungs, pure blood is coming. This is from lungs, and this is to lungs. So from lung, pure blood is coming through the pulmonary vein into the heart, into the left atrium. Then from the left atrium it is going to the left ventricle, and left ventricle facilitate the pumping of contraction of its muscle, which results the blood is going into this aorta through the semi-lunar valve, and this semi-lunar valve facilitates the blood flow into the aorta, by which the blood flow carried throughout the body part. So my dear students, in this diagram of internal view of heart, you will see the complete blood flow in both ways. First coming into the heart via this tricuspid valve and going to the pulmonary artery to the lung via this pulmonary valve, and coming from the lungs via this left atrium and by bicuspid valve, and going to the left ventricle, and this is going by the semi-lunar valve, and further going to this dorsal aorta, which is supplying blood to the different parts of the body. So my dear student, the lub sound that is produced by this bicuspid and tricuspid valve, produce lub sound, while dub sound is produced by the semi-lunar valve, that is when it gets closed, then the dub sound will be produced. So lub dub sound is produced by these valves, bicuspid, tricuspid and semilunar valve. So my dear students, you have to revise this while viewing the external appearance of the heart as well as the internal appearance of the heart. And thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.